Every morning, Pebble the cat walked through the town, collecting smiles. One day, Pebble found something special: the smile jar.
But suddenly, the smile jar stopped glowing. Pebble tried to help everyone he could.
He was tired, but he didn't give up. That's when Pebble learned, smiles grow when you care. Pebble didn't collect smiles, he shared them.